Right, in this lesson you will learn about how to solve simultaneous equations with three variables. So before you have simultaneous equation with two unknowns, something like this, 5x minus 3y equals 7, there's two polynomials, two equations. If we increase the number of polynomials, we also need the increase the number of equations. Now, if there are three polynomials, we need three equations in order to find a value of these polynomials, a, b, and c. Otherwise, we can't. So we need three equations to find out three unknowns. Of course, there are four unknowns, you need four equations. But in this course, we'll be limited to three polynomials. Okay, so how do we solve them simultaneously? So when we solve this, we're going to use a combination of elimination and substitution. So how do we do that? Okay, so now so what we do is make one polynomial with the subject in one equation. So what we do is we're going to make C the subject. Make C the subject, which is C equal to minus A minus B. I will call it equation 1, 2, 3. And then substitute that into equation 2, into 2 and 3. Okay, let's do that. So from 2, we get A minus B plus, replace it by minus A minus B equal to negative 4. And then if we simplify, they get cancelled. You get negative 2b equal to negative 4, b equal to 2. So work out b. Yeah, so it's just lucky b is 4, 2, so it will get eliminated. And then we'll also substitute that into the third equation from 3. From 3, 2a minus 3b minus c is minus a minus b equal to negative 4. And then we'll collect like terms, be careful, plus a plus b. That minus changes both. And then we get negative 4, so we collect like terms, get this. Okay, we got that. Now, because I've already got the value of b, I could change that to 2 and work out the value of a, which is negative 4, like that. And then we continue, so therefore 3a equal to 0, a equal to 0. And once you found the value of a, you can find the value of c. Now, where do I do that? Use this equation. C equals to negative a minus b, which is negative 0 minus 2, because b was 2, and the answer will be negative 2. So we got a is 0, b is 2, c is negative 2. Alright, 3 answers. Okay, now, does that work? Let's check whether it works for the second one, 0, 0, 2, and minus 2. That work. And the next one, 0, 2, 6, negative 2. Ooh, I think I made a mistake somewhere. I think minus a minus b, minus a minus b. I'll positive 2, and then I do a b, negative a minus b. Ah, it's negative 1. Oops, negative 1. Yeah, I think I made a mistake. Copied it wrong. Means everything here is wrong. But negative 1, it is. So that will be 3, which is 1. So a is 1. And then that means this is wrong. A is 1, is negative 3. Alright, so if I check that again, that is 1 to negative 3, 1, 2, so I could check. So with the equation 3, 2 times 1 minus 3 times 2 minus negative 3, so that will be negative 6 plus 3, 2, it does equal to negative 1, it's correct. You can check 2, 1 minus 2 minus 3, it's negative 4, it's correct. And finally, 1 plus 2 minus 3, 0, correct. Alright, it's right. Okay, move on to the next question. You may like to have a try before you watch the rest of the video. Alright, call it 1, 2, 3. So, make C the subject like before. 7 minus A plus B. Substitute that into 2 and 3. So from 2, A plus 2B minus 7 minus A plus B equal to negative 4. A plus 2B minus 7 plus A minus B equal to negative 4. And then you collect like terms, so 2A plus 2B, and then you go B minus 7 equal to negative 4, which is 3. So 2A plus B equal to 3, equation 4. Because I've already named 1, 2, 3, that will be the fourth equation. And then we'll do the same thing. We're going to substitute this C into 3, into number 3. So 3A minus B minus C equal to 3. From 4, from 3, so replace C by this thing, which is minus 7 minus A plus B. 7 minus A plus B equal to 3. 3A minus B minus 7 plus A minus B is 3. Add like terms, so it will be 4A minus 2B minus 7 equal to 3. So 4A minus 2B equal to 10. Divide by 2, 2A minus B equal to 5. Equation 5. And now what we do is, we have to solve 5 and 4 simultaneously using the elimination method. 2A plus B equals to 3. I can do so by elimination. So what we do is add 5 and 4 together, which is 4A, the B cancels, which becomes 0, and then 5 plus 3 is 8. A is 2. And once we found A, you sub it back into equation 4 maybe. Yep, so you get 2A plus B equal to 3, so 2 times 2 plus B equal to 3. So 4 plus B is 3, so B is negative 1. So we got A, we got B. How do we get C? We sub it back into the first one where C was the subject. So I'm going to pull it down. So C was equal to 7 minus A plus B, isn't it? Okay, so we go 7 minus 2 minus plus negative 1, which is 3, 4. So yeah, 4. So the answer is A equal to 2, B is negative 1, C is 4. Okay. Of course, you'll see the answer C. You can check. I think that's done. Okay, good. So you should be able to do exercise 3.13. Yeah, and if you finish all of this, you can start the chapter review and yeah, you can do the chapter review. And then we'll have a revision lesson on this Friday. Alright, good. So exercise 3.13. Okay, done.